Well, in Carbondale, it went into the books as a 96-degree day, one of the hottest days of the year. It wasn't just Carbondale, it was all across the region. We had mid to upper 90s. Low this morning was 70, so both those numbers above average. Our normal high is 88, and our normal low is 65. We were hot, but still fell shy of the record high. That was from 1913, 103 degrees. Notice sunsets are beginning to get earlier and earlier. It is that time of the year. But that doesn't mean it's necessarily cooling on down quite yet. In fact, over the coming days, we're going to continue to see very hot conditions. Here's the heat risk map, and this shows borderline major to extreme heat across the region. That extreme heat's the purple color. That's a level 4 out of 4 on the heat risk map. This is Sunday. Check out by the time we get to Monday, not much of a difference. And Tuesday, I think it's one more day of very high heat before a front comes through, and that should knock down temperatures as well as eventually lower humidity to drop. Radar and satellite has shown some showers and storms earlier, but the better focus of these storms is up where this front is. There's been clusters of storms back towards Chicago, but here, for the time being, all is relatively quiet. The exception could be late tonight. There may be some storms that try to dive on down over northern parts of Illinois and northern parts of Indiana. But look what happens. They kind of just die out as they drift off towards the south. So whether you're in western Kentucky or whether you're back into southeastern parts of Missouri, I think we're all in all dry outside of maybe just a few more clouds for folks off towards the east. Into the day tomorrow, this is likely overdoing it, but Futurecast is spitting out the chance of a pop-up shower or storm. You can only be so lucky because that would temporarily cool down conditions in what will otherwise be an afternoon where feels like readings for another consecutive day are over the 100-degree mark. And we'll do it all again on Monday with a limited shower chance in the afternoon and very hot conditions. Again, feels like readings north of 100 degrees. How about the changes? Well, it's not going to happen until we get towards the middle part of the week. As a front drives southward, that will bring up the shower chance, but it will wash away some of the hottest temperatures and the highest of the humidity. And you can see that exactly right here with the feels like readings going from 105 to as much as maybe 108, 110 locally. And those fall off significantly. By Wednesday, we're feeling like the low to mid 90s. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it's more so closer to 90 degrees. So we're still warm, but surely not oppressively hot. Tonight, 72 degrees. Tomorrow, another hot one. It's 98, and you bet that will feel more like the triple digits during the day tomorrow. 7-day forecast shows the heat sticking around right through Tuesday, and then warm, but closer to average by the second half of the week.